In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags on Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your team more efficiently, making sure everyone feels included, and streamlining communication within the app. So whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just looking for ways to enhance your collaboration, this guide is for you. First, what you'll want to do is open Microsoft Teams. You can do this on either the web version or through the desktop app. Once you have Teams open, head over to the Teams section, which you can find on the left side of the screen. This is where all your channels and team interactions happen, making it the central hub for our tagging process. Next, look for the More Options button. It appears as 3 dots to the right of your team name. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From here, you'll select Manage Team. It's within this area that you'll find controls to tailor your team settings, making it an essential step for creating and managing tags. When you navigate to the Manage Team section, go ahead and find the Tags tab. Click on it and you'll move into the area where you can create and manage tags. These tags allow you to categorize team members into groups for focused communication. To create your first tag, simply click on Create Tag. Here, you'll give your tag a specific name that should be relevant to the group you'd like to organize. For instance, Marketing or Project A. This step is all about ensuring effective, tailored communication within subgroups of your larger team. After creating your tag name, it's time to add some team members. Enter the names of the members you want to include in this tag. As you type, suggestions will pop up based on your team directory, allowing you to quickly select each member. Once you've added everyone you want, click Create to finalize the group tag. To use your new tag, go to your team's general channel or another channel where you aim to post. Hit Post in Channel and add a subject for your message. In the message area, type the @ symbol followed by your tag's name that you just created. Microsoft Teams will display a list from which you can select the tag, making sure your message reaches the intended group. Finally, when everything looks good, click on Post. Your message will now notify everyone included in your tag, ensuring seamless and focused communication. And there you have it. You've now mastered using tags on Microsoft Teams. Incorporating tags into your communication strategy will undoubtedly help in organizing discussions and information flow within your teams. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.